All right, I am fixing that latch right up there behind me. And we got the old one, and we got the new one. The new one's gonna go right up in there. We're gonna put that together real quick. I'm gonna show you how it's done. First of all, we'll take a little, we got a little Loctite on here. Red Locker. It's like a one-time use supply at the car parts store. So hopefully it just pops right off here. Yep, there we go. See it bleeding there? There. Don't want to come out very well. All right, and the key here, according to the previous video that I watched, is to hand thread these babies. And these screws look pretty good, whereas on the sample video, the guys said they were rusted out. So it only goes in one way. Broken part right there. Guess I should check for other broken pieces prior to that. But you want it to cross thread. So that's why you hand do this. It's cross threading on this one. Let's see in just a minute. Oh, there. I don't have a little automatic drill, so. It is going right in. Last one. Get nice and set on there. Nope. Moving, that's for sure. Alright. And the actual latch is pre-done. I'm going to put the little lid on my Loctite. So if we want to use it some more, we can. All right, how we doing? All right, now we're just gonna put these wires back on. Not hard for glare. That one's in there. I'm gonna dig this one here. And that one back in there. We should have ourselves a working lock. So I'm gonna try it out here real quick. First of all, voila, it's working. We got a good lock. All right, I put that back on. I'll put the screws there. Now we just have to finish snapping it in up top. To do that, we actually have to shut it. Open the glass part. Here, you can see where those are gonna snap on there. This thing's pretty flexible. So I just want to make sure the other holes lined up down there. I'm gonna push those things in. And we're gonna push this on. So I'm gonna pause this now. All right, part 3 here. Now we actually have that in place. See, it snapped right in there. So we are all ready to go. We just have to pull this part shut. And then we got it all. I need both hands for this, so that's the end. All right, and that as good as new. Should work just fine. Yeah, we should be able to lock it. Keys. This car should be locked. You can't use it. That does that. Now we can unlock the car. Trunk works just fine. Alright, that's it. That's all she does it.